Alrighty, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We are doing 6 boxes of English Premier League Prizm Soccer first off the line. First off the line, number 15. Grab your spots in first off the line, number 16. Last team left was the Wolves. I just took it out of the store. If anybody wants them in the next few minutes, let me know. No, that's gone, Paul. All right, that went to Curon, got it from me. All right, made a trade with them for some other cards I could use. Let's see, where's my little spielio? Alrighty, I am Soccer Breakers FC. If interested in joining my breaks, join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. All breaks are live on YouTube. Simply search Soccer Breakers FC. Make sure you click the little button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you give us a thumbs up on the video, I'd appreciate it. Also, check us out on our website, www.soccerbreakersfc.com. Follow us on Instagram, Soccer Breakers. Alrighty, 3 boxes at a time. Let's rock and roll. Yeah, the Fabianski now belongs to Kiran, part of his PC. Barundi. Oh, 09. Sometimes we got a lot of 1-0s, other times all 09s. We shall see. 1-0. That's good. Guessing it's an 09, but I have no idea. Uh-oh, offline. Let's see. Are we back? Okay, I haven't started yet. I lost you guys for a second. Do something here before I run out of space again. Oh, I think I forgot to do the list, actually. Sorry, guys. Here's the list. I forgot to do the list. West Ham, Andreas, Speakerman, Brighton, Bournemouth, and Norwich, all Andreas. Daniel, you got Man City. Justin, Burnley. Kevin Mack, Arsenal. Tommy Lowe, Everton. Mike, you got Crystal Palace. Paul, Leicester. Randy, Watford. Sidawut, that's Mpenza. You got Southampton, Villa, and Sheffield. Title, you got Tottenham. Swiggy, Chelsea. Adrian, Liverpool. Boss Man U. Dylan, Newcastle. And Cyrus, Wolves. That reminds me to check one thing here really quick, guys. Totally forgot, actually. But, Swiggy, I got you for Chelsea. Adrian, I got you for Liverpool. And Boss, I got you for yours. All right, we're good. And Dylan, Cyrus. All right. Yeah, we're good to go. I have the Wolves, guys. You got about another 5 minutes if anybody wants my Wolves. On sale for 49 bucks. If anybody wants them, you're welcome to grab them until I start showing the cards. Jump in and steal my 1-of-1 Wolves card that I'm going to pull right now. Some Palace Shimmer. You know, Palace does well in these first off the line, especially considering that's why I'm surprised people don't take them. They usually go quite quickly. One of one Wolves. Yeah, last time you guys didn't take a team was West Ham, and I pulled a one of one Fabianski. Auto. Alright, Shimmer. Sounds easy enough. Which one of one? The new owner? the Fabianski one. Yeah, I know. I gave him a good deal. I just felt bad because I hit it, so I gave him a very reasonable trade deal. We valued it about like $450 is what I put it at, just to be fair. One selling? Oh, on sale. I'd be surprised if John sold it. He sounded pretty adamant on having it. Mateo Kovacic to 149. To 199, Kepa. To 25, El Mohammedi. To 149, Gray. Guiata, Palace. All right, first autograph is Liverpool, Ryan Brewster. Ryan Brewster, Liverpool. Red Liverpool there. Adrian. There you go, Adrian. Little Liverpool autograph. Tottenham, Harry Winks. Onel Hernandez to 199. To 149, Yota. To 199, Davies. Davinson Sanchez. There's a numbered card right there. Ben Mee to 149. Come on, guys. If we're going to break anything else, we need to get some movement on that one. Oh, by the way, let me do this so you guys that might be interested. If you want to buy it now, I'll do $2.99 and I'll do $2.49 on Liverpool on this one too, just to get it moving. That's a right now online special. Price on the website's going to stay the same. So if you want it now, you can buy it. Otherwise, if it doesn't fill, it goes back to the regular price. Jamie Vardy to 99. Tottenham. Tottenham was... We got Tottenham. There it is. Title. Good luck, Title. Danny Rose. Danny Rose. Wolves. That's me. Rigged. How about Ryan Bennett? Ryan Bennett. Wolves. Rigged. Rookie card. He any good? 6 of 8. Ryan Bennett. There's a number to 8 card. To 75, Hendrick. First of you. I'm not sure what he means by that. He just texted me. I have no idea. First, you. Oh, is it? Yeah, maybe it is a little bit high. A little bit lower. Everton, Tom Davies to 199. That. Another one there. To 149, Smalling. To 199, Sanchez. Guys, 5Ksers going tomorrow. So grab your players, 20% off right now. If any of you want to grab a boatload of players, PM me if you're interested. I'll work out a deal with you. I usually like do a big, huge lot at the end, but if you guys want to work something out, shoot me a PM, like talking 20 plus players type of thing. I'll make it even better for you. About Newcastle, DeAndre Yedlin. I don't know. Do you guys want to do a mixer after this again, like we did last night? Like another couple of different boxes? I don't. Do like a little mixer if you guys want. Ooh, it's a Tottenham, a gold, Victor Wanyama. Not a very busy, not a very big crowd tonight. We got 21. All right, and then we got this baby right here. I think it's a Brilliance. Brilliance. Who's it going to be? What color is it going to be? Watford. Etienne Capoue for Watford. Brilliance. We got Watford. Randy. Boom. Shaka laka laka laka. Mr. Randolph Brooks. There you go, buddy. 2 of 8. That is just brilliant, I say. Hold on. Oh, no worries, Kieran. I was like, I don't think he's selling it, but hey, I got a lot of nice Chelsea cards. If people offer me crazy numbers, I'll be like, okay. Nothing wrong with that. Three boxes left, guys. 3 boxes left. Let's do it. You guys feeling it? We can do one more of these. We've only got 7 teams left to fill the next one. 7 to go. $209. Yeah, I think it's the same Polish guy. He texted me, I think, and I told him that card is bye-bye. 209 again. One zero. All right, guys, let's pull something nasty. 3 more boxes. Guys, 5 Caser. Help me out. Grab some players. I'll give you a good deal on them. Lots of players left. I think we got like 50, 60 players still available. At least like 10, 12 of them are autographed players, meaning players that have potential autographs. A lot of Kaboom Color Blast guys out there still. Anybody interested in doing a mixer or no? If I have a couple people interested, I'll think about it, but like we did last night. Otherwise, I might be getting myself a good night's sleep. save our energy for the 5-chaser tomorrow. Nick, both, to answer your question. Because I have to go to a concert tomorrow night, so I hope to get on early and break like a couple cases, and then I hope to get on late and break a couple more cases. I don't know if I'll finish all 5 tomorrow, but I'll at least break several, and my hope is, as long as I don't have payment issues. That's why it's really important, guys. Please, if you grab spots, make sure your payments are in. A lot of people on those 5 cases just take spots and disappear, and then I gotta chase them down, and you know, with all the different time zones, you know, it's very difficult. So hopefully, as long as we don't have a whole bunch of payment problems, I should be able to start breaking it during the day tomorrow. If for whatever reason that's not possible, then it's going to start very late, because like I said, I'm going to go to a concert. I think I'd probably be home around 10:30 or so at night, so 10:30, 11. So I'll be like getting on around this time tomorrow for what I think is going to be the second part. And whatever we don't finish tomorrow, I will break on Monday. Because I am going to finish it on Monday. And hopefully have it ready in time for shipping on Tuesday, I'm hoping. We'll see. But that's my goal, at least. But I'm at a point right now, even if nobody grabs a single other player, I'll just break it. I just want to get that done. So I got to the point where at least I'm not going to, hopefully I'll at least break even on it. So that's all I really wanted to do. Mendy to 99. Whoa. Didn't see that coming. How about Delofeo for Watford? Watford tearing it up. What's up with Watford? Randy, one spot wonder. There you go, Randy. Another one, brother. That's my hope, Mike. I mean, I don't want to say 100%. I mean, but my hope is that it's going to make this week's shipping. That's my hope. As long as I can get Alex to finish sorting it by Monday night. So that's why I gotta, if I don't finish it tomorrow, I gotta get on early Monday and break it. And I'm gonna work on my taxes too at some point. To 99, Godfrey. Yeah, I mean, that's the hope, Mike. I just, you know, I'm supposed to ship on Tuesday, so as long as I can have it ready by Tuesday. 107 of 149, Gueye. To 199, Ogbonna. Mokhtarian to 25. 25 of 25. Unrik Mokhtarian. There is a, oh nice, Liverpool Anfield. It's got to be worth a couple bucks right there. And Stevens for Brighton. All right, here's the autograph. We already did that number /8 card. Everton, there he is, Mr. Theo Walcott, 1 per break. Seems like he hit his auto in almost every 6-box break that we do. We've had him twice a few times, and I guess we've had him 0 a couple times, so I think he's definitely the guy we hit more than any other in this product. Yeah, if we get done early, I'm going to try to check payments on that 5-caser just to make sure it doesn't get messed up based on payments. I know most of you send on time. There's just a few that I always have to chase down. Yeah, if it's like 20, 30, 40 bucks, I don't care. But if it's like, you know, 500, 600 bucks, then I'll usually wait. All right, here we go. Good luck, good luck. There's that one. There's the next one. There's Brighton again. Matt Ryan. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. So you guys following the Rugby World Cup? We're like announcing it on TV today. I was like, damn. How far along is that? You guys know? I saw it was like Namibia or something. I was like, Namibia? Really? They have a rugby team? Valerie. I swear it said Namibia. I'm pretty sure. Gosling. Ryan Kelly. Yeah, the Brighton match. Yeah. He played well. I saw he got the shutout, but Holgate. Nathan Redmond to 75. Boy. The VAR was haunting too. Who else plays for Brighton other than Ryan? Everton. How about Mason Holgate, rookie? Oh, nice. Moyes on them. Oh, that's like the Aussies. Are those the 2 best players for Australia? Moy and Ryan? Got to be up there. It's a pretty nice duo to have. It's got to be a lot of Brighton fans in Australia, I imagine. All right, we got L flashback autograph. How about Shea Given? Oh, only 2 in the EPL. Wow, still pretty good. Iran has a player on Brighton too. He never plays. Shea Given. He was their most expensive transfer of all time. They don't even play him. I think he probably saw the dollar signs. He figures, I made it. That's it. All right, guys, we got 1 box remaining. 1 box left. Come on, we need a black or a power gold. Something sexy. All right, there is a number to 8 card. Number to 75, Jamie Vardy. 75 of 75. There you go. Let's do it. Let's hit some sickness. To 99, Soyuncu. To 199, Torreira. Hudson Odoi. Got something back behind that card. We got something back behind this card too. To 149, Aaron's. To 199, Basham. All right. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Do this one first. Number to 8. That looks like West Ham colors, I'm thinking. No, Aston Villa colors. I guess that's the same color. Aston Villa, not West Ham. Sorry. Birkir Bjarnson. Nice. Assuming one of their better players. Birkir. He's Icelandic. Iceland. Let me get the damn thing to focus. There it is. Akureyri, Iceland, 1988. Birkir Bjarnson, 1 of 8. All right, the last 2 hits. Good luck. Let's see what this one is. Auto or looks like auto. Rigged. How about Morgan Gibbs White autograph for the Wolves? Rigged City. And the last one. We got Power Gold, guys. Power Gold. Good luck. Power Gold coming your way. Newcastle Power Gold. Dylan. There you go. One of those last two teams. Paul Dummett. Or is it Dumet? Or Dummett? Kind of like Alexandre Dumas, the famous author. You know Alexandre Dumas? No? Dumas. One of 5. All right, thank you, Michael. Appreciate it. Thank you, buddy. Have a good day. Good night for me. Yeah, guys, I think after this, I'm going to call it a night. We're kind of slow and doesn't seem to be much interest in doing anything else. So we will concentrate on getting that 5-caser filled up for tomorrow. All right, so 16, man, you just went to Nick. Live stream offline, what happened? I don't know why I keep doing that. That's weird. I don't know why it keeps doing that, guys. Sorry. It keeps kicking me off. I don't know. I haven't done the thing yet. But Nick wants menu. If you guys want to fill it, I'll stay on and break it. I just didn't think we had enough interest right now. All right. Thank you, Nick. Nick just grabbed Man U. If you guys want to grab anything, I'd suggest you grab them fast if you want it to break tonight. If you don't care and you want to break tomorrow, then you can take your time. But yeah, I'm planning on logging off after this unless we really get a bunch of interest. And if we all of a sudden sell a bunch of teams, I can always jump back on. I'm not going to be going to sleep for a little bit. All right, here we go. Recap. Anfield, Liverpool. To 99, Godfrey. Mendy, Soyuncu, Valerie, Vardy. To 75, Vardy again. Redmond, Hendrick. To 25, El Mohammadi. And Mokhtarian. To 10, Gold, Wanyama. All right, thank you, Nick. All right, cards that made the wall. To 8 for Everton, Mason Holgate, and autograph Theo Walcott. To 8, Birkir Bjarnson, Aston Villa. Autographs DeAndre Yedlin and Danny Rose. Watford Deulofeu to 8. Also Watford Brilliance Kapui. Shea Given, Newcastle. We got Harry Winks to 8 for Tottenham. Got for the Wolves, Ryan Bennett to 8 and Morgan Gibbs White Shimmer Auto. For Liverpool, Ryan Brewster, Shimmy Sham autograph. And Power Gold, Paul Dummett. 1 of 5. All right. All right, guys, I appreciate it. I'm going to start checking payments now on the 5-caser. And I will do some, probably some last-minute sales. Try to get it finished off by team. So I'm going to probably, the only other sale I'll do other than 20% off is like buy all the players for this team. Here's, give you a little better deal on that. But if you want to pick around, let me know before I do that. Like I said, if you grab a bunch of players, I'll give you a good deal on it, on these players that are left. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day, great night. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, take it easy. I will see you guys mañana. Thanks, guys. Peace. I'm out.